I'm sharing with you guys how to set up a really simple and quick automation using ManyChat for auto commenting on your Instagram post. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. All right, so what I'm going to do is you're going to open up ManyChat. I'm actually going to share a link to a YouTube video that I just posted. I'll pause that really quick. But anyways, you're going to open up ManyChat. Let's go back to the main page. And you can set this up for free. It does have a limit if you're using this pretty consistently. Maybe you do want to do the paid version. But for the purpose of this and the purpose of saving you guys money, I'm going to share just like a free auto DM from comments that you get on an Instagram post. So we're going to go to set up a quick automation, and it's already connected to my Instagram page. So it's pulling up different posts that I already have. So as you can see right here, this is my Instagram. These are the different posts. And over here, it's sharing the same most recent posts that I have. So let's say that I want to use this post. I think I already have one set up for it. So let's use this one. Let's pretend that I have written on here that, anybody that wants to get a quick guide or something like that on this post, they comment a word or they can comment anything. So you can have them do a specific word. So like DM me, you can write that in here. So if they say DM me or, guide, if they have those words in there, it will automatically send them a DM. However, some people misspell words or they comment something different. So you may want to go ahead and select any word so that anyone that comments on this particular post will get a DM for you. So you can set up an opening DM. This is important. So that way, if they're not following you, you're not just sending them like a link or something that looks kind of spammy and gets you in Instagram jail. So saying, hey there, happy you're here. Thanks for your interest. And click below and I'll send you the link. So when they click that, send me the link, it's automatically going to respond with whatever it is here. So maybe I do want to share this YouTube video. This is not what I would do on this one particularly, but let's say I do. And it's going to show you what they're going to get. And you can write anything after this, like, let me know what was most valuable, or, if it's a guide, how did this help you? Something like that. And once you have that set up, you're seeing what it's going to look like. You can actually have reply under the post. So you can have all of these options. You can change these up to whatever you want it to say. Feel free to use it in your words. And then once you have everything ready to go, all you have to do is hit go live and you're all set, ready to go. Anytime someone comments on that post, you're going to instantly have a auto DM populate here, and they will also get a DM message from you. So that's it for the mini chat. It's pretty plain and simple, but if you need any help, let me know.